All right, you guys, welcome back. We are going to continue on with solving exponential equations. All right, so if you look at our first example we've got here, okay? So we know we're solving exponential equations when our variable is located in the exponent. So 63 equals 1.08 exponent of x plus 20. So I need to get this term by itself. So I have to get the term that has the base and the exponent by itself. So I'm going to subtract 20. So I get 43 equals 1.08 to the x. All right, then I'm just going to take the log of both sides using the base of my exponent as the base of my logarithm. So log of 1.08. So we're going to have some decimals, which means you got to use your calculator. 43 equals log of 1.08 of 1.08 to the x. Okay, so very similar to what we were doing last time. It's just now the problems are just going to be a little bit more messier and involve different steps. Okay, now I'm not going to be able to go over every scenario. Okay, you got to use your skills with solving equations. All right, so that cancels. So I'm left with x equals. All right, and then I need to type in this log statement. Okay. Now, if you're using a graphing calculator and you've got an updated one like I do, if you press alpha y equals, you bring up your fraction. Okay, then I'm going to type log of 43. And then on the bottom, I'm going to type log of 1.08. So I get 48.87. I'm rounding to the 10th, so 48.9. So I go over here. I'm going to type in 48.9. There we go. All right, new problem. I'm going to do one more. Good. I'm glad this one is super messy because this will actually probably cover a lot of the different steps combined into one problem. All right, so 1,410 equals 4,500 times 0.95 to the 2x plus 580. Okay, so again, exponent. So this term needs to be isolated. So I'm going to start by getting the larger term by itself. So I'm going to subtract 580. So 1,410 minus 580 gives me 830 equals 4,500, 0.95 to the 2x. Okay, now to get this term by itself, I got to get rid of 4,500. So I'm going to divide. Okay, that's going to give me probably some wonky decimal, but that's all right. Okay, so that gives me 18.4 repeating, or 0.184 repeating. Okay, I don't like it, but it is what it is. 0.95 to the 2x. Okay, all right, now I'm going to take the logarithm of both sides. So logarithm of 0.95, 0.184 repeating. I'm going to take the log of 0.95 of 0.95 to the 2x. Okay, so just got to work it slowly. That cancels. So 2x equals, okay, I'm just going to rewrite this. So I'm just going to leave it like it is. Now to get x by itself, I'm going to divide by 2. So x equals, all right, now I got to type this wonderful, okay, problem in. Okay, so if I have my graphing calculator. All right, I'm going to type in the logarithm first, get my answer, and then I'm going to divide by 2. All right, so alpha y equals, so log of 0.184. I'm going to type in a bunch of 4s so I get that repeating part in, divided by the log of 0.95. Okay, so there's that first decimal. So that's the logarithm, that's the numerator. Now I'm going to divide it by 2. All right, so I get 16.47, which is 16.5. Okay. All right. 16.5. Submit my answer. There we go. Okay, so yeah, you just got to work slowly. There's no rush. Okay. If you've got any questions, let me know, and good luck, you guys.